What up guys, this is Joshua from TechNiv.com and today we've got a brand new smartphone from Huawei for us to unbox and take a quick look of it. Boom! Yeah. Right out of the box is pretty much all the standard stuff you get from purchasing a smartphone. So let's just put all this aside and look at the smartphone itself. So this device over here is called the Huawei Nova 3i that Huawei is trying to set this bar to a higher level closer to a flagship experience. So the device is priced at
1,249,
which is lower than its predecessor. So everything this smartphone offers would definitely worth your money. Harga ini memang murah, beli sekarang. Anyway, the device comes with a brand new design that pretty much looks like most of the flagship device on the market. It has a 6.3-inch full-view display with a notch that is slightly wider than most of the device on the market, but there's a reason why. But I'll get back to you in a minute. Moving to the back of the device, it now looks more like its elder brother, the Huawei P20. It also comes with a dynamic gradient finish glass back if you decided to go for the Irish purple. It also uses nanometer scale surface textures to provide shining curve effect. So if you ask my opinion, ini memang cantik. Lencai nampak pun cakap cun, awet nampak pun basah. Kalau you cover bottom, nampak biru. Kalau you buka, nampak purple. Tunggu apa lagi? Beli je lah. Now let's get back to the notch. The notch is slightly wider than most of the device is because it packs in a dual camera module. So in total, it has 4 cameras on board, 2 on the front, 2 on the back. So for the selfie camera, it is a 24 megapixel with 2 megapixel for 4K effects. And Huawei also call this an AI selfie camera. So what it does is the AI selfie is capable to recognize the scene and give you the best setting. It also comes with a new beauty algorithm to make your face look pretty. It also has a feature called HDR Pro for you to brighten your face whenever you're taking a selfie against the backlight. And there's also a thing called light fusion which blends 4 pixels into 1 to give you better low light performance. So in conclusion, kalau kamu ambil selfie dengan smartphone ini, tak handsome pun jadi handsome, gemuk pun jadi kurus, kurus pun jadi skeleton. Tiada julu gambar, tiada masalah. Mana I dengar ni before? Sini. Other than the dual lens, it also has an AR lens which Huawei call a 3D Qmoji. You can select different kinds of animal face and different kinds of effects, backgrounds and 3D objects. Banyak comel lah. Aku kucing, sekarang rabbit. Oh, penguin juga ada. Gemuk. And finally, in terms of the spec, it is running a brand new Kirin 710. But we're not going to talk about the performance in this video, so I will just leave the rest of tech spec right here. So just take a look at it and see what it could offer for the price of
1249 เอาใหม่
sangat cheap. Beli sekarang. So I think that's it for now. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you like this video and share this video with your friends and family and to whoever cares about smartphone. Bang, tolonglah share sikit. Nanti boss nampak tak ada view dia pecat saya. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to visit our website at TechNiv.com for more detailed info. So goodbye my friend. Goodbye. And I'll see you guys in the next one.